Hello guys, got another quick unboxing for you. Let's get him out. That. There he is, can you see? Snowland and Predators. I won't read not everyone's cup of tea, but same packaging. I think a lot of people are going to pass on it, but saying they don't like it, which fair enough, they don't like it. But I don't understand all these people saying they didn't deserve a figure because he wasn't in the film for long enough. When you look at their collection, and they've got the Tracker and the Predator, the Tracker and the Falconer Predator, which actually had even a bit less screen time than Nolan. Especially the Tracker. The only time you really seen him was in the corridor. In the old Nolan's oil refinery machine thing. And I think you've seen him more to the beginning where he just flashes where the three of them like decloak. But anyway, so a quick look at him. Oh, I can't see him because of the glare. There's his picture in there. I think he looks pretty cool. Let's pull the tray out quickly so you have a better look. Something on the back of the card because his jacket. Can you see? It's only a jacket. A few bits and bobs in the top, looks like his gun, belt, spear, there he is, all his bits and bobs, some pegs, his hands, armour pieces, his biomask or helmet, whatever you want to call it, armour, his gauntlet, and his axe. Let's have a quick look at this, shall we? It's cool. And there he is. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I'll do another video of him once I've got him all set up, and tell you what I think about him. Thanks guys, bye.